Hey everybody, good afternoon. The purpose of this video is to show you how to set up office hours so that those students with internet and also those without are going to be able to contact you during that time. This takes place in your Google Calendar, so you're going to find the time and the day that you meet with students for office hours, and you're going to create an event. I'm going to choose Thursday at 2 o'clock and start an event there called Greats Office Hours. And once you've got the title, you're going to want to click on More Options. It's under More Options that you're going to do three different things. The first thing is you're going to want to change where it says Does Not Repeat to some sort of a custom. If you've got multiple days that you're going to have office hours at that time, then you would select those other days. But for me, I'm just going to keep it on Thursdays at 2 o'clock, but I'm going to have it end after several weeks on June 12th, and then I'm going to click Done. The second thing I'm going to want to do is add conferencing. Using Hangouts Meet, I'm going to add conferencing so that not only can students access it online using this link here, but also phone in using this 413-679-2569 phone number and this PIN, 405-505-296. Then I'm going to go over here for the third thing and add all the students. You might have them as a saved email group already, in which case you would just type in, like I will, middle school teachers. And I would click on that, and then I would be able to click Save. I'm going to delete that middle school teacher group for now, and then I am going to click Save. And what you'll notice is for this Thursday at 2 o'clock, the phone number ending in 2569 and the PIN ending in 296 remains the same next week when I click on it. It is the same phone number, the same PIN, so that you'll only need to communicate it one time when you send home that paper packet. It's always the same. You probably will communicate it more than one time, but it stays the same, the phone number and the PIN for your office hours. And the link as well for your students who will be accessing your office hours online. Hope this is helpful, and we'll see you online or on the phone.